talk about native text extraction and OCR. Native text extraction is the process in which the text within the native file itself is recognized and extracted for indexing and later searching. This extracted text can be reviewed through the HTML tab in the document viewer in LEP. OCR is the process of converting the text within the imaged file to a searchable text for indexing and later searching. This OCR text can be reviewed in the Text tab within the document viewer in LEP. While these steps are somewhat similar, the key difference between the two is native text relates to the text that is available within the file in its native form, whereas OCR relates to the text that is obtained from the file's imaged format. Both the native text and the OCR text are contained within Lexbe's Uber index for searching. Now that we've talked about native text extraction and OCR, let's talk about metadata extraction, field population, and load files. Metadata, simply put, is the information about the data being processed. This can include things like the title of a file, but can also extend far beyond to include other attributes, such as who authored a file, when it was created, or when it was last modified. As metadata is extracted from data during the automated processing, that information is populated in built-in fields corresponding to those files. When data is produced through LEP, load files are provided as part of the production, which contain data from built-in metadata fields that are standard in production. Now that we have a better understanding of how metadata is handled during LEP's automated processing and placed into specific fields corresponding to the file they're associated with, let's discuss the built-in fields within LEP. While the built-in fields are the default fields in LEP that exist in every matter, there will not be information for some of those fields after uploading data into the platform, due to those fields being reserved for other types of processing or review. Also, the type of metadata that can be gleaned from documents and fielded in the metadata extraction process depends on the type of data being uploaded as well as the attributes associated with that file. Built-in fields that may be populated in the metadata extraction phase that occurs during automated processing include title, attachment, author, BCC, CC, date created, date last modified, date received, date sent, doc date, extension, from, #MD5, last modified by, master date, original extension, original title, pages, placeholder, size, subject, source file path, to, and words. Built-in fields that are not associated with metadata extraction but may be populated during the upload process or post-upload processing include doc ID, Bates, control number, custodian, date uploaded, doc category, doc source, is annotated, is redacted, is translated, is duplicate, and near dupe group. Built-in fields that are reserved for review include attorney work product, attorney-client privilege, confidential, custom designation, description, doc type, folder, key documents, notes, responsive, and review status.